This activity is called Divide, Share, and Present Jigsaw. So what do we have? We have a text, and we're separating the text into parts. Every person is writing into a graphic organizer, and they need to fill in each of these 4 columns. So they do their 2 examples, and they hear the examples from their classmates. Good? Rolling? All right. And then they have to share their ideas in order to fill their graphic.
Is it about the take place avatar? Observation. Yeah.
Motivates, okay?
You see, high self-literacy law, high self-esteem, develop self-study.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. Autonomy.
Yeah.
Autonomy is a key word. Gradual release to responsibility. More,
En jurnal hazırlayan literacy law mu istiyorum?
Okay.
Informal, I think.
If possible, how are they different?
From each other.
Everything is assessing learning, right? Assessment is about assessing learning. How is an antidote, a story about a student, different from a checklist? Do you see what I'm saying? A checklist is you walking around observing and just checking. Antidote is you walking around observing and writing a short words.
We
Do you
should.
see how that's different or no?
We have to write some description for each
If
one.
possible, what's the purpose? So this may be more detailed. This may be faster. Do you see what I'm saying?
Yes.
A conference takes much longer. So you should explain how they're different. But with a conference, me talking to you one-on-one, you get much more feedback than me just checking. Like off of a checklist. So you should just explain if possible. Whether
Each
it's,
column should be detailed.
if possible, well, the purpose of a checklist is it's quite different from a conference. And the benefits are also different. You see? You're on the right track, but just notice the difference. You're rolling. Because you want to be clear on the differences.
Can take place over time. Can it be assessment builds confidence at the same
You
time?
have to look at the image.
No, I know. Because here they write that express himself, herself, and as it's self-assessment.
My sense was of learning was before learning happens.
But it
For,
can be
during,
at
and-
the end, of course.
It could also, but I think as is more about you checking your own sense about your own learning.
Sometimes it may be is as and of.
For which one?
For example, conference.
It's both. Yeah, I would think you're assessing yourself. Yeah, and what they've learned. Yeah. All done? Beautiful. So you're gonna have to choose whoever are the 3 people who are gonna go on a journey there, and the 3 will stay here. Because I guess what's gonna happen.
Exchange the as.
How are we gonna do this?
Knowledge.
Yeah, that's it. Everyone will get everything.
Okay. Let's do exchange the knowledge.